Look at this tag on this, the price tag, 50 bucks. You guys, 50 bucks. What a beautiful rainy morning. Ah, love it. So one of the first things we're going to show you from this weekend's picks were those two headstones. They have ended up here in the mini graveyard in the shade garden. It's not done yet, but it's coming along. We'll see what other treasures we find in the bins before Halloween to add to this. So we're going to go ahead and look at most of this stuff out here in the van because the renovation is still going on inside and I don't want to drag everything in there that I don't have to. Let's see. We've got a tripod, which we will be testing out, so stay tuned for that. Super excited. If that works, that is just a whole new level in my YouTube game. There is a tube over there, and there was another one, but I already used it to ship another poster that sold on eBay. See our eBay link in the video description. There are a whole bunch of these, which I will be listing on eBay. They're plastic price strip thingies. All of this is not from the bins. Look, I'm still covered in paint. Is not from the bins. I did have to buy these at Lowe's. They are for the continuing budget renovation. What else did I find in the bins? All of this. So there is the old lady cane, and we found one before, but this one has all of the goodies, all the noisemakers. A couple of these black tubes. I'm not sure what they are, what they're for. Maybe they're lights or something. I don't know, guys. What are these? They have these... Oh no, that's just a staple. I thought it... Never mind. It's early. Okay. There is this super awesome alien style skull blade thing that will be going probably in the mini graveyard on one of the sticks that I've found. I have found several of the handles, the sticks that go with these. In fact, I'm pretty sure there's one in here from this latest pick. I don't see it right now, but I'm pretty sure there is. Some flowers, a cute little butterfly clip still in the package. This little base to, I don't know what it was with, but pretty awesome. I know we'll find use for that. There were two packages of the letter garland. So between the two, even with, you know, because there was some damage, like some water damage, I figure between the two packages, we should be able to do something with them. Then there is this bag of goodies, and I am going to go through and pull everything out and show that to you. We'll see what it is. But for the moment, let's go see what I have in the back. All right, so there was also this wheelie cart, kind of like wheelbarrow thing. Beautiful, works great. That was in a public school bin. Then this is from, well, we'll start here. So a whole bunch of the Old Navy shipping bags. Thank you for the tip on that. Those will come in so handy with my eBay. Whole bunch of empty packages here. But these packages, the ones that are in good shape anyway, can actually come in handy. There's the other thing of the letters, more of those packages. And then this is super awesome. Look at this Pennywise mask from the movie It. How cool is that? I don't know why they threw it away. I'm looking for a reason. Yeah, there's a slit back here. I think that's supposed to be there for being able to get it on. Yeah, I don't see a good reason. So super duper awesome. Not sure what I'm going to do with him. We could wear him. We could put him on like a basketball and prop him up in the yard somewhere. I'm also thinking about creating the gutter scene where, what is the boy's name? Jackie? no, Wheezy, anyway, whoever it was, I can't remember off the top of my head. What a shameful Stephen King fan I am. But anyway, where he's under the gutter and there's the red balloon and he bites the kid's arm off. Anyway, look at this tag on this, the price tag, $50. You guys, $50. And here it is for free. So stay tuned to see what I do with that, because that is a freaking awesome find. This is a bracelet. It's missing something, but we can do something with that. A little necklace, some fun green glasses. Probably they're like light up and need a new battery. A bag of Jelly Bellies. Let's see. This huge bag of purple M&M'S. I forgot about this. I'm glad we're looking through. Yeah, super awesome. We will have fun with those. It's yeah, not expired. It says 04 of 2019. So why did they throw out this still sealed huge bag of M&M'S? I have no idea, but we will enjoy them. All right. Let's see. There's some more stuff in here. We can get to it. More of the Old Navy bags. Then, oh, there's this also from Zurchers, and it's pretty busted up. I will see what I can do as far as repairing it, but most likely I will salvage the parts from it. Like these hands are fantastic. The skull, we can pop that eye out because that's kind of a cheap, not great eye. I can use the eye for something else. But the pieces of the skull would come in really handy in the graveyard, as would these hands. Even this background, it's a good thick foam background. We could use that. The chains, love these. I already have some like this in the yard. And then there's all the fabric. So most likely we will salvage it for parts. Then there was a huge white tablecloth, like the kind that you rent out for events. Super cool there. Then, oh, just the other bag of little things that I need to go through, and we will look through those. But real quick, I do want to show you that I got all this stuff as well. And what it is a bunch of things that I got at Lowe's that were on clearance, and I got them specifically for retail. Look at this, 2 cents. 2 cents. And I did look most of these up on eBay before I purchased them, and I don't think there were any that were selling for less than like $6.50 or $7. So I will make a profit on all of them. So I'll be getting those listed. I have multiples of each. They take up very little space. So that's super exciting. 10 cents, 5 cents. I mean, yeah, so cool. There was a whole shopping cart full, so don't worry. I left some for other intrepid resellers. But yeah, super cool. Okay. I am going to get that bag out and get it sorted. Okay, I got everything out of that bag and have it laid out here on my newly cleared subfloor. How exciting is this? That nasty carpet is gone. P.S. We have curtains up right here. I need to go and buy another set to put on that window. The ceiling is painted. I need to take down the tape from the light. Later this week, no, not this week, early next week, we will have the electricians coming in and putting in can lights in here. Things are coming along, guys. But anywho, back to the business at hand. So we have an open package of jewelry and bead glue, an open package of a painter marker. Think, my frugal friends, of the possibilities, the crafting possibilities with these guys. Imagine them, if you will, in some kind of wreath. That's what I'm thinking. Super awesome. We have more of these little crafty tapes. I have found tons of these in the past, and they come in so handy in the crafting station or crafting center that we created that we really need to clean up and reorganize. There is also a little like piece of a rake. I don't know who it goes to, but pretty sure it goes to one of these guys. There is a gnome doing some gardening. And from that same kit or set, there is this cute little thing. And it's missing something there and part of the pumpkin, but that is not a problem at all. Super duper cute. There are several of these little wooden owl buttons. Look how cute those are. No idea what I'm going to do with those. They would make fun magnets if we just added some of our dumpster magnets to them. That would be perfect for fall. After I have painted the front door. Yeah, I've almost got the front room painted. Getting there, getting there. But after I have painted the front door, we'll be putting magnets back on there because we like to have magnets on the front door, and these would be perfect for fall. So we'll see. I don't know. What would you guys do with them? Then there are 2 packages of bead type things. There's these. They're, wish it would focus better. There we go. These cute little metal beads. Hear my kids making Halloween-esque noises in the background. Guys, hush! And then these little rings. Whole package of them. I think it's just that they're missing the little tab, the paper. But yeah, not even open. Let's see, there is a package of some kind of like suede or leather. We'll just add that to the crafting supplies. Oh yeah, okay. Real leather crafts, so that's leather. And then these, we have a, well, it's in pretty bad shape, this feather, but we'll see. It might go with, I don't know, something Halloween. I mean, it's orange, which is awesome. And with Halloween, I mean, you can get really creative. It being a little muffed up like this, I don't think it'll be a problem. We'll see. Stay tuned on that one. And then this is super awesome. It's this pick, and it's purple, and I love purple. Think of the possibilities right here. Even if all you did was stuck it in a plant, you know, in one of your potted plants. So cool. I'm in love with it, but I don't know. We'll come up with something. Anywho, okay, that is it for our marvelous finds and resale buys and progress that we're making here in the ongoing budget renovation. It is coming along, you guys. It is coming along. I am even going to buy new windows for this one and the window over there, that one there. They both need to be replaced. Gonna have a handyman come in and do that for me, though. I don't think I'm gonna be trying to learn how to do that. What I have been learning how to do, though, is things like patching and, I don't know, assorted other stuff. It's been really cool. I've been learning a lot, and progress is definitely happening. Thank you for joining me today, Frugal Friends, and for your continued support and encouragement. We will see you all very soon.